Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable in-app sound in the Battle.net application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the top of the page on the left. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then click on the app settings button. And here just look for the in-app sounds section. And in order to enable it, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns blue, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.